Hey guys, Brandon with Baron Glass. Today I'm going to take you with us as we install a custom insulated wine cellar using hardware by Frameless Hardware Company. So let's get right into it. First thing we do is we stage the glass, stage hardware, and we go ahead and lay out the channel for the stationary panels. While the panels are being installed, we have another guy putting hinges onto the glass door. We of course are using the hydraulic patch fitting hardware for adjustable closing speed technology, which is necessary for a wine room because you don't want the temperature difference to be able to blow that door open. Plus, you want it to feel premium, which it certainly is. We mark and install our bottom plate, and we laser up and also measure for our top T-mounts, and we make sure that we have our 1/4 inch gap. Next, we drop the door into place, dropping the bottom pin into the bottom mounting plate, and then we slap the top one against that top pin, and once it's secure, it is secure. Then it's as simple as taking a small flathead screwdriver and loosening the closing speed of the bottom hinge to the desired effect. We installed the hinge plate covers. So next we can install the shop drawings and install the flat bar to complete the grid look. Next we got to seal the door edges. Then we final clean in silicone. Frameless Hardware Company black silicone doesn't have a shine to it, so it blends in with the matte black track perfectly. You can hardly tell that it's there. And that's it. Voila, we are done in less than a day. Thank you for watching.
All right. Yep.